totally private backyard paradise. The patio has mosquito curtains that we have actually never used. There is a mosquito misting system built into the sprinkler system that works so good we've never needed to use them. Ceiling fans also blow mosquitoes away because, as I understand it, they can't fly in wind. Note the 6 Corinthian columns. They are actual structural columns holding up the balcony, completely separate from the house, so the balcony meets full Miami-Dade hurricane codes. There are massive concrete bases underneath the pavers for each column. The 7th column, with the night blooming jasmine growing on it, is not structural and has the drain pipe inside it that drains the upper balcony. You walk around this corner to the equipment alley to see the water softener, irrigation pump, and Rainbird sprinkler controllers. The pool pump is a top-of-the-line Pentair variable speed pump which costs very little to run compared to typical pumps. The big diatomaceous earth filter filters much better than cartridge filters. This big green climbing bush making the archway is night blooming jasmine. It blooms at night pretty much year-round and makes the balcony and porch smell like honeysuckle all night long. And now look at your amazing pool and waterfall. It is constructed completely of coral rock dug out of the local neighborhood while they were digging the foundations of the houses. It was built to be safe for dogs and children. It is 24 inches deep at the center and has beach entry all the way around. It is chlorinated just like any typical pool. The water is plenty deep enough and the pool is perfectly huge for floating around on floaties. The small sink strainer covering the hole in the right edge was the pool overflow for when it rains and goes into a huge rock pit French drain under the pavers. Look at the tall looking fern plant at the front left corner of the waterfall. It is a Florida Kunti and is the host plant for a local butterfly that is going extinct called the Atala. But look below it at the green looking, moss looking plant growing partially into the water. This is water hyssop and is the host plant for white peacock butterflies. There is also some growing over by the shed. We get a lot of white peacocks flitting around the yard.